I am Dr. Bhumika Mistry, Assistant Professor at KK Shah Jarodwala Maninagar Science College, Maninagar, Ahmedabad. I am a participant of the online refresher course in chemistry organized from 9th October to 23rd October 2023 by UGC HRDC of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. From this course, I have learned so many new things, new applications of the organic chemistry in some specific topics. I also learned how to memorize essential information during the reactions. I think the real meaning of refresher like review, training, brush up, practice, lesson, etc. learned by this program. I have summed up some of the key skills gained from learning chemistry like critical thinking, communication skills, attention to detail, technical ability, problem solving, etc. This program will help me in the future very importantly for some new invention for the sharpness of the result which I cannot got in past of many organic reactions. It is also helpful in doing teamwork and coordination also. It was so easy to understand in a very short time. There are so many things are there which I have not any idea or not any knowledge. That also I get it from there. I really thankful to whole staff of HRDC team for giving me this opportunity. All the coordinators of the course, specifically Dr. Vasava sir, conduct this program very nicely. Thank you all.